Hello Kabalay, another day, another real estate video. Kabalay GM Balog here from Desire Realty. Just a quick updates. So nandito tayo ngayon sa my sales office ng Sugarland Estates, Ciudades Development Corporation. So here sa Sugarland State, Kabalay, we are selling single detached with massive lot area of 120 square meter na Zukor at Caramelo. Kung naghahanap ko ng single detached na complete finished over, ito na ang para sa iyo. So mga Kabalay, this May, ilang araw na lang, we have 500,000 discounts, no? Promo po yan, napakalaki ng ating discounts. Then available po ito through Pag-ibig and banks financing. So madami tayong mga financing dito, institution like RCBC, Land Bank, BDO, Security Bank, Metro Bank, and also mga Kabalay, as you can see here, no? Pakita ko lang sa inyo, yan yung ating mismong way going to our Sugarland Estate along Governor's Drive. Yan mga Kabalay, if you wanted to see and book for house viewing and to have a online meeting and virtual tour or face-to-face house viewing, just comment down below or directly message me from mobile numbers and also social media accounts. Again, this is your Kabalay, GM Balog. As always, kung gusto ng mas kompleto, mas mabilis, mas madali ng pagkuha ng proseso ng pagkuha ng bahay, just Kabalay. Thank you for watching everyone.